feel like we have been sleeping on an important part of the Gilbert Goon situation, and that is with regards to cyberbullying. I stumbled across this when I saw this post this last weekend. And in this post, you can clearly see that someone who has previously identified themselves as a goon, no idea if that's true, put up a picture of someone, tagged them, and threatened them online for everyone to see. And so I thought, cyberbullying has to be illegal, right? Well, it is. And not only is it illegal for people to engage in cyberbullying, schools have an affirmative obligation with regards to cyberbullying. Schools are required to have specific policies, specific mechanisms of reporting. Now let's talk about Chandler School District, which is where Rick Keener's son was bullied on campus during class via Snapchat. Well, the Chandler School District policy requires them to take immediate action and have a thorough investigation and then impose disciplinary actions and support for victims. That's in their own policy. And so what happens when schools don't follow their own policies? They're subject to potentially losing funding and, of course, to legal liability. So there may be legal liability for schools that fail to have these policies in place or fail to enforce their written policies. Separately, there are criminal penalties for those who engage in cyberbullying. They can be charged with harassment, with threatening and intimidation, or with unlawful use of an electronic communication device. So these are all ways that we can intervene much earlier in the criminal process to stop bullying before it escalates to group beatings and death.